Hello teacher, my name is Chayapon Niyomkaew. Today I will present you the lab 11. Okay, I will use the I as a const variable as 3.141 and is this value of pi will use in this program as the const value, and this in this class circle, this is friend class OS stream is the like the function that return or stream is like the output, and the friend class I stream is operator like input. Yes, and this function can this friend class can allow this two function to access the private and protect part of this circle class. And this function will input set the radius and get radius to calculate the area of the circle by function get area. And in the class rectangle, it's same in the circle class. There are friend function on OS O stream and I stream that can access the private and public part of the class. And the triangle too. And this is class not number exception. It's the class that built for execute the error in the main function that we will talk about. In the main function, our program will start at this, the output that asks the user to enter the value that is the number, is a number value, and this is try, this box try is the statement that may cause some error. We will use try to, if the input choice is not the value, not the number value, we will send it into class of not number exception. This class not number exception will is in the private section is string of error message. So this string will use in only this class, and the public part is if is not number exception, like if it is a string, if it's error message, this is a string, it will output the enter only number. And if it is the string, if the value of a message is string, it will error message and output enter only number, and if it's string, it will return to error message and output this enter only number. And cache box. The cache box is the box that will handle the error from try box. So the cache will send to not number exception. Choice is 99 is the value, is the most value that we give it. And see in clear, we will delete the value of the error value of this of this input by this line, see in clear. And after clear that f flush, this line will make the program ready to get new input. And if it's so, after that, it will not error if the user enter the value that is a number. If it will run this switch choice. If 1 will process circle, if 2 will process rectangle, and 3 will process triangle. And if the number is not 1 or 2 or 3, it will print out entered to 0 to 3 only. And if not, it will print out goodbye. And this is the function process circle. This is circle, my circle, and y is true. Y, the value of circle is true. It will print out enter the radius of circle. And this is try function for may cause that for input that may cause of the sum error, and try in the input for my circle. And cache block is will send it to not number exception if it is a string, or if it's not the num value, and it will clear that and make it ready for new input, and it will run continue function, and it will send the value of my circle. And it in rectangle is same. It will check that the value is a num or not. If it's string, it will delete it and ask user to enter the new input. And if the value is true, if the statement is true, it will continue. And the triangle too. And this is the outstream function. OStream operator is the overload of the class that will, if we use it, it will print out this line. The area of circle with radius is and is the value from get radius of circle and the value of get area circle. And it is the I stream for input of circle, and they will input to circle radius. And if Cin is not true value, if the statement of value is not true, it will throw to odd number exception. And this two O stream and I stream is for the circle, and both of this O stream and I stream is for rectangle. Yes, it's for rectangle, and both of O stream and I stream, this is for triangle. They will print out that line. And if so, I will try to run the program first. Okay. This program, if I enter 1, it will ask me to enter the radius of circle. I will enter 10. And this will print out the area of circle, and it will show the value of radius of circle. If I enter the 2, they will ask me to I will run the rectangle and ask me to enter the value of y and height. If I enter the value, it will print out enter only number because it is the not number exception class. And it will ask me to enter width and height of rectangle separated by space again. So I must enter the num value. Yes, it will print out the width, height, and the area of this rectangle. If I enter the value to this choice, it will ask me to enter 0 to 3 only. And it enter 3 and enter the num value, enter the double value. It will process the program and print out this area of the rectangle. If I enter 0, it will exit and print out goodbye. Thank you.